Hi, this is Rahul from Creative Minds. I'm here to explain the overview of the project that we have undertaken. The main problem statement is the creation of visualization dashboard to do the sentimental analysis of the COVID tweets in India. Our approach to this problem comprises of three modules, namely the live data analysis, secondly the past data analysis, and the last is the chatbot. First, the live tweets page is the place where the tweets that are posted online currently regarding COVID-19 will be displayed. In addition, the corresponding sentimental score is also displayed. There are other two tabs in which one portrays the image-wise analysis of the tweet, which when clicked on, it takes us to the original location of the tweet that is Twitter. The other tab, the overall sentimental score, will be displayed through the analysis. The second module is the past data analysis, where the data sets are analyzed and their corresponding word frequency count sentimental graph will be displayed. The third module is the chatbot. The main purpose of the chatbot is to create an interactive environment between the user and the server. The chatbot is trained to answer the questions related to the coronavirus, such as symptoms, masks, sanitizers, etc. It is also trained to explain the features that are included in this project. In addition, we created a awareness page in order to spread the awareness to the people using it. The scope of this project would be processing of the more data sets of past tweets and add the analysis of the tweets in each day to increase the accuracy of the chatbot in terms of count and also to create a predictive model in which the sentiments of the people would be predicted if any other lockdown impositions are made in future.
Hello friends, I am going to show the live demo of our project. Our project is sentimental analysis of COVID-19 tweets visualization dashboard. Now this is a demo of our web page. In our web page we have basically three categories. So first one is live tweet analysis, second one is fast tweet analysis, and third one is chatbot. We have built a chatbot which can answer your queries. So this project is done by a team of 4 members. So you can see their names. So we done this project for IU Hack Challenge 2020. So first I'm going to open the live tweet analysis page. When I click this will open. Actually here we can see the tweets. Uh, in this the live tweets, the tweets are taken directly from the tweet to Twitter. So here the tweet text is shown and its sentimental score is also shown. And this is basically the time where the tweets are started. So actually now this speech is positive, so it is shown 6. So positive value shows the speech is positive and negative shows it is negative. Neutral means it's 0. So similarly we have Twitter image analysis. Here we can see along with the tweet, the tagged image is also shown, and Watson visual recognition is trying to predict what is there in the image. So here you can see this is also an image. So it is trying to predict it. It is on a website. It is from computer, so it is trying to predict. So here you can see the sentiment score. So then here we also have an open tweet option. If we click this, we directly go to the tweet page, directly to the Twitter page. Next, we also have Twitter map analysis, in which we can see the tweet along with the map and its place. So wait a minute. Actually the map is loading. Actually what happens is that here our web page will take the tweet directly from the Twitter, and the corresponding sentiment of the Twitter is also shown in the centimeter dots, and then in our Indian map it will show where the tweet is tweeted from the location of the tweet. Actually if the tweet is neutral, it will show the gray color. If the tweet is positive, it will show green color, that bad symbol. If it is a negative tweet, it will show red color. Let's wait. Actually, the tweet, we set the time limit tweet for it is 10 seconds. So after every 10 seconds, it will show tweets. Also, we take the tweets off from all over India. So its language is not only English, it is also Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Telugu, all languages. So just for now, it is only 2 tweets. So the third tweet is also there is the fourth tweet is positive, so it is showing green color. So here you can see almost all are gray color. So let me quickly move. Next, if we see this is a past tweet analysis. So in this actually the overall scope is we try to analyze the data right from the start of the COVID-19, that is from March to till now. So it's nearly 3 months. But for now demo, we only prefer for April 16th. So wait, that I already opened it. Sorry. Let's see. Yes, I already opened. Actually, this is a past tweet analysis. Here you can see I have plotted the word float for a particular day, April 16th. You can see the word which is good and sunrise. These are the positive words which are predominantly used in our Twitter tweets. Uh, then we can also see the number of tweets per hour, then the sentiment count. It shows morely our people are positive, so it is a very good thing. Then the sentiment distribution, polarity. The mostly the average case belongs to zero, neutral. Then we also have peak word frequency, in which the COVID-19 is a famous word, which we also know. So then we can also see the top 5 favorite count tweets. So here you can see the top 5 tweets. Okay, there you can see one credit, one people, country free COVID-19. So everyone which is set by Rahul Ji. So next I go to this page. Then next one is chatbot. Now I go for the chatbot. Basically, this chatbot is designed to answer the general questions regarding COVID-19. You can also ask the tweets. For example, I already asked, tell me about the stats of tweets for early April. It's showing the total number of tweets during early April is 43,160, along with 41% positive, 20% negative, neutral. You can similarly ask from March to May. So for general question, you can also ask what is COVID-19, what is Corona. It can also answer that question. It, we done it using the Watson assistant. Similarly, you can ask so many questions. You can ask it next. Next, these are the 3 modules, and similar to that, we have also added one value added location-based analysis by IIT. So it is very helpful because we have told it about in our idea. So in this, you can see for overall India, it's showing the tweets. This is emotional analysis. So in this, we have happy, have high percentage. Neutral is leading, but you can see mostly the people emotions are happy. So this is from range right from March to June. We can also see this as a timeline. So here, when you click a particular state, it will show. For example, when you click here in this state, it can see. For example, you can also click Andhra Pradesh so that it show how many tweets. In 25th, it's only 25, 15 tweets is Twitter. So among them, mostly sad and happy. So similarly, you can Madhya Pradesh. You can also try here. The positive tweets, happy is more. So similarly, you can see all the ranges. So if you want to see a particular city, there's also app option. If you click Chennai, it will show the tweets from Chennai, and it's mostly so they are positive. Even though we know it is more affected, but the people are still positive. We can get conclusion from it. So this is what we shown. Also, we have created one page where we can show the corona awareness. Let's see. This is just for additional. We have done this. to create some awareness for corona. So, wait a minute, it's actually loading. Actually, this is the corona awareness page we created. Some basic wash your hands, wear mask, kind of awareness. So you can see such awareness, and also we have had one awareness video. What are the day-to-day symptoms and what are the steps we need to follow? So this is our demo of our project, which is very brief. So next, I invite Rahul to explain our idea and current scope and our future scope of our project.
The difficulties we faced were firstly, collecting the dataset for Indian tweets was a bit difficult work. We had all the dataset for entire world tweets. Therefore, hydrating and dehydrating huge amount of tweets was really a tedious process because processing of tweets gets delayed with increased number of tweets. Later, we obtained dehydrated tweets from IEEE data port so that we can dehydrate it and use it. Next difficulty we faced was with storing the database in cloud and object. As we are in the beginner level to cloud computing, we found it a bit difficult work. Finally, with the help of IBM's Cognos dashboard, we managed to overcome this one too. Nothing turns out good without learning from difficulties, and the difficulties we faced help us to groom us much better to the technologies and had a very good exposure to new things. Next, Nishok will explain you about the experience and contribution of our team to this project.
Hey everyone, I'm going to talk about the contributions and experience we gained from this IBM Hack Challenge. Our team consists of 4 members: Naveen Kumar, who contributed towards the historical tweet analysis; Nishok, who contributed towards the live tweet analysis; Rahul contributed towards web page design and module integration; Saumitra contributed towards chatbot building. The experience we gained from this IBM Hack Challenge mainly attributed towards the IBM Cloud services, which made our work easy and fast. The built-in features in the IBM Cloud services, such as Node-RED and IBM Watson Studio and Watson Assistant, uh, uh, contributed towards an important features in our project, and which was easy to work without any hassles. And we spend more time on developing our modules rather than integrating our modules, which was a good time saver for us. And the SmartBridge platform helped us in planning, scheduling, and tracking our progress, which is an essential part for our teamwork. And the initial bootcamp we had was an eye opener, and the facilitators who helped us were really supportive and guided us in the right path. The overall experience we gained from this IBM Hack Challenge is a good learning experience. Thank you.